Okay, y'all. Hey, I rarely show my face. But anyway, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to cook eggs. They don't take 30 minutes. Anywho, so I have a little specialty egg pan. My eye is already on. Place, let it get warmed up. This type of pan, you do not want to use anything that is not plastic or wood, meaning you don't want to use metal because you don't want to constantly hear. You got me? And you don't want metal chips in your eggs. So to keep it simple, all I do, butter, butter, let it melt. And when you're cooking, of course, because you're going to cook your eggs for breakfast, you only want to cook your eggs last. You don't want to cook them first because they'll be cold while you're cooking everything else. Let that get hot. All thing you're going to need is salt and pepper. Take your egg. The butter is hot. Boom. Crack. Boom. It's already there. After you do that, take your pepper, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Now, with this, no metal, because you don't want metal in your eggs. So you're going to take this and just scramble. You don't need a hide. Just scramble. Boom, 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 boom. About 2 to 3 minutes, it'll be ready. Let it sit. Solidify. Count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Boom. It's solid on the bottom. Keep stirring. At this point, you can take it off depending on how done you want them. You don't want to overcook them. Boom. Eggs. In 3 minutes. Not 30.